Good morning, my dear students. Now today we are going to discuss class 9 physics, that is equation of motion. That is equations of motion. So there are three equations. One is V is equal to U plus AT, that is first equation of motion. Second one is S is equal to UT plus half AT square. And third one is V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. So this is also known as velocity time equation. This is also known as velocity time equation, and this is known as, because this is, we know that which one, this is displacement or position and time. This is known as position time equation. And third one is, this is velocity and this is position. Therefore this equation also known as velocity and position equation. So three equations we have to discuss one by one. First we will discuss that is first equation of motion, that is V is equal to U plus AT. So first equation, that is V is equal to UT plus AT. So for this one we have to draw the graph, because when the object is moving with a uniform motion, this is uniform acceleration. So at the time, suppose body is starting from this one. So acceleration we know that, suppose that body is moving from 0, and after time t, suppose that body is moved towards this side, and in this case the initial velocity, suppose u, that means in this case u is equal to 0, and suppose in this case, that is after time t, this is suppose final velocity, that is v. This is u, that is meter per second, and this is also meter per second. So this graph we have to derive for this equation. Clear this one? So next graph, suppose we are drawing here, we are representing graph. So in this case, see here, this is origin 0, and this is time, this side, this is time in second, this is velocity in meter per second, this one. Clear this one? Suppose, because body is having initial velocity, that initial velocity is u. Suppose here the initial velocity is u, and after t time it's cover a final velocity. Suppose this final velocity is, suppose v, that means this distance is v, and this velocity is v, and this velocity is v. That means that body is, after t time it reaches at v. Suppose this point is u a, and this is b. So during the initial velocity, that is u, at body is at u, and after time t the body cover distance and it got a final velocity. That final velocity is v. Clear this one? Suppose we have to draw the graph, then the graph became like this. This graph became like this. Clear this one? So in this case, we have to derive because it is uniform acceleration. Clear this one? So this equation of motion we have to derive when the body is at uniform acceleration. Clear this one? So we know that first we have to write the initial. The body is, the object is moving along a straight line and initial velocity that is u meter per second and final velocity that is v is equal to the final velocity v is equal to v meter per second and time taken, total time taken by the body, that is t second. Clear? We have to write all the observation here. That is initial velocity, that is u meter per second, final velocity, that is v meter per second, and total time taken, that is t second. That is clear? Then after, because it is a uniform acceleration, therefore we know what is, we know that acceleration A is equal to acceleration that is change in velocity divided by total time taken or time. So that implies we denoted A for acceleration, that is A is equal to change in velocity. Change in velocity means how? V minus u, that is change in velocity, V minus u divided by, we are taking time for t. Clear? That implies when we multiply cross multiplication, we can get AT is equal to V minus u. Clear this one? When this u will go this side, then this is become plus. That means AT plus u is equal to V. So that implies we can write this one, V is equal to u plus AT. So this is known as first equation of motion. This is known as first equation of motion. Clear this one? Next we have to derive second, that is S is equal to ut plus half AT square. That is also known as position time graph or motion.